Hi, welcome back to your Math Resource Showcase. I'm Amber Soto, and today we're going to go over the solution of the Marcy Cook task card that we introduced yesterday. So let's just jump straight in. I'm going to bring up the tile that I gave you as the challenge, and we're going to talk through it. So here we have a rectangle. We can see that there's 5, and they represented that as length. So that means the width has to be the other one, which is 3. So we're going to put 3 here. And we talked yesterday about how perimeter is just the measurement around. So if we have 5 and 5, that's 10. And then if we have 3 here, that's 13, and 3 more is 16. So perimeter should be 16. You can also easily just count your way around. Okay, for area, we talked about how it's length times width in a rectangle, but it's also just counting squares. So if you counted these squares, you would count out 15. So we're going to put that for area. Okay, in the next level, it shows an 8 and a 5. It doesn't give us a picture, it just shows us an 8 and a 5. So we know that area, right here it says area, is length times width. We just talked about that. So if you were to do length times width or count up the squares if you wanted to draw one, 8 times 5 is really just 40. And then lastly, perimeter. If you had had a rectangle that was 8, 5, 8, and 5. Well, if you think about it, the 5 and the 5 on the left and right would give us 10, and the 8 on top and 8 on bottom together would give us 16. 10 and 16 is 26. So let's pull the 2 here for 26 for perimeter. And lastly, again, we have this situation where it's kind of like they give us that it ends in a 2, they give us that the perimeter is 34, but we don't know the length and the width. So we need to think through what things can we multiply to get something with a 2 at the end. 7 times 8 is 56. That doesn't have a 2 in the ones place. 7 times 9 is 63. Again, that doesn't work. But 8 times 9, similar to last time, does work. So again, we can put, I put 8 and 9 last time. I'm going to flip it this time and put 9 and 8. But if you put 8 and 9, it's still right. There's more than one solution here. All right, and if we know area is 72, 9 times 8 or 8 times 9 is 72. Remember, multiplication is commutative, so it can flip around. 8 times 9 is the same as 9 times 8. And then if we just check that perimeter is 34. So again, if we have 9, 8, 9, and 8, well, the 9 and the 9 would be 18, and the 8 and the 8 would be 16, and 18 plus 16 is 34. So this is your solution. Now again, some of these things can be flipped. If you put an 8 here and a 9 here, that's fine. But for the most part, there you go. All right, that's all I got for you today. I hope you had fun with that. I hope that it was challenging for you and you took some risks in trying out some different stuff and then learning from those mistakes if you made mistakes. I hope you have a really, really great day today, and happy mathing.